Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Because of COVID, stores are not carrying everything that we are used to. One thing for me is lotion. I like my organic lotion and they have not had it since COVID started. I had a bottle, but I'm out. So I'm going to make my own. I know that there's a lot of recipes for making your own on YouTube, but I'm going to show you my version. I hope you give it a try and I hope you enjoy watching. So to get started, you're going to need shea butter. 11 ounces of shea butter. I use unrefined, organic, because I want to keep, my skin is alive, and I want to know that I'm only putting good, healthy things on it. 11 ounces of coconut oil, which I got at the grocery store, and 11 ounces of Golden Jojoba Oil. I put the 11 ounces of shea butter in my double boiler system here, which is a Pyrex cup with 1.5 inches of water, and I just left it on low so that it melted. You don't want to use high temperatures with this, because if you do, your lotion will be grainy, and I don't like that on my skin. So there is my 11 ounces of shea butter and my 11 ounces of coconut oil. To my oil, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. The reason I do this is because in the winter, skin gets dry. Our skin is our largest organ. It's alive, and we have to take care of it. And because the air is dry in the house, our skin gets dry. So cornstarch doesn't really have a lot of research done on it, but it's been around for grannies and great grannies days, and this is what they used to soothe skin. So I'm just stirring it all in, and then I'm going to add it to my KitchenAid mixer bowl. I'm going to put it in the fridge for a little bit until it gets a little hard. So there it is, 33 ounces and 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. Now a lot of people add their fragrance now before they chill it, but I'm going to wait until it's semi-hard. So I'm using 0.18 ounces of my favorite fragrances. You can use whatever you want. Now I make this stuff a lot. I've used all different kinds. I like to use a pipette of tea tree oil, 2 pipettes of Neroli oil, which is orange, and 1/2 pipette of jasmine. And I just think that it makes a lovely fragrance. So we're going to start whipping the butter. It is very cold still. And this has to whip almost 10 minutes. So I'm going to start adding some of the oil, and I'll be back. So here's my butter. It is almost at the whipped cream stage. I only added 1/3 of that oil because I don't like strong fragrance. You can add as much as you like. I would say that once your lotion's done, see if you need, put some on and see if you need to add some more. So I have used my largest piping tip, and we'll see how much I get out of this. Blooper. So I'm not using a tip, and we'll see how much I get. This actually makes 8.5 4-ounce jars, but I'm just going to show you how I fill them here. And one of these jars lasts a long time. Now it's important that you don't try to put the screw tops on right now. because I've already gotten some on my hands. Rubbed it in. Now I just want to show you. It's just like whipped cream. And it's lotion for your skin. It just melts right in. But here's the thing. This is more of a lotion than a body butter. Because lotion to me, body butter to me is just a little too greasy. Now, that was a lot that I had on my hand, and I've rubbed it in. But the secret is the cornstarch. It's just so soothing to your skin, and it doesn't leave it greasy. So my recipe of 11 ounces of unrefined shea butter, 11 ounces of coconut oil, and 11 ounces of golden jojoba oil, with 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, which is also known as arrowroot, and my fragrance. I don't like a lot of scent. I poured out a lot of scent, but I didn't use it all. I like to smell fresh, but it does have just a hint of orange, which is delightful, especially during the winter months. So the cornstarch will stop your skin from feeling dry and itchy. The lotion is not greasy, so after you shower, you can get dressed right away. So I hope you give it a try. And thank you for watching. Any questions? Leave them below. Please like and subscribe. God bless you and your family.